So I am going to be using my new Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So this is my first time ever using any type of Milk makeup products. I just got hip to this like literally today. Like one of my coworkers was like, yeah, I want to go to Sephora, get the Milk Makeup Primer. She's like, all the reviews that she heard about it were all great reviews. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try because I've been looking for a new primer anyway. So this primer is supposed to be long lasting. What else? It's hemp derived cannabis extract, blue agave extract, provides all day hydration and hold. So this is literally supposed to basically keep my makeup on like literally all day, don't move or anything. So this is what it looks like. So we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see how we like it. And this is actually the mini. I didn't get the large size because I just want to try it out first, like see how I like it. If I don't, I'll return it, but I'm hoping that I like it. So it said on the instructions to pump it out onto the back of your hand. It does have like a jelly-like formula there, so more like gel-like. So, oh, it is giving like a gel. Okay, so let's see. Let's put it all over. It also said to let it sit for about a minute. Typically, I never really apply primer on with like a brush or anything. I always use like my fingers to like really get it in. Let it sit on my skin so that way it could absorb into it. I was told that it does get like a little tacky, like it's supposed to basically grab hold onto whatever foundation I'm using. So I mean, it is giving me like a shine, like you can see a glow. So the foundation I will be using will be my MAC Studio Sculpt foundation, and I have it in 2 shades. I have it in the NC50 and in an NW45, and I like to mix the two because, I mean, let's be honest, there's no one complete shade of foundation. Like, to get your own perfect shade, you have to mix. You gotta do a little bit of color theory and try to figure it out and see what suits you. So I always mix these two. I always go a little bit more with the NC50 versus the NW45, only because the NW45 could be like a little too red for me, as when the NC50 has more of a neutral undertone to it. Okay, so I feel like I really did get my skin together, and I feel like with this primer so far, like, I do see a difference with my makeup. I really do. Like, I feel like I don't really have to blend too much. Like, it's like on my skin. Like, it's on there. I'm liking that. Pick up all the color that I can, all the product, so that way I can get it through. And one thing to always remember when doing makeup, you make a mistake, it comes off. It comes off. It's not permanent. It's not gonna be on there forever. You don't have to wear it for that day. Doesn't work out, clean up with concealer. That doesn't work out, get you a makeup wipe and take it off. And what I would typically do, because you can see the the eyeshadow like coming up too close to the brow, what I will always do is take a blending brush that I use like to blend out my foundation or powder or whatever, and I go between the area where like my eyebrow and my eyelid meet to like clean it up, so that way the foundation, not the foundation, sorry, that way the eyeshadow won't be going into my eyebrows. Like this helps soften it up. Ooh, I'm amazing myself. This is what happens when you just sit down, take your time, and just let the creativity flow. This is giving me life. One thing I cannot do for sure is talk and do eyeliner at the same time. I cannot hold a conversation or anything while I'm doing my eyeliner. I need complete concentration. Like I need it to be dead as quiet so I can do this eyeliner. So now that is done, of course I'm going to clean it with some concealer. I will be using my MAC Pro Longwear in NC45, one of my favorite concealers. So first thing I'm going to do is take like a concealer brush, and I have it going right here, and I want to take the concealer brush and go under my eye, so that way I can clean up the eyeshadow, and also to straighten out that eyeliner, so that way I can have a really nice crisp eyeline. So I'll go under there and then I'll begin to drag it down. I'm taking the same brush that I used earlier for my foundation, this dual fiber brush. It is actually a MAC 159S brush. I never knew all the names for the MAC brushes. Like I call it what it is versus the number it's labeled with. Like that's how I identify brushes. Okay, now that's that. So what I'm going to do is a little bit of contour. I haven't done contour in so long because like we wear a mask and like there's no point of contouring because no one's really gonna see our face. But since I'm doing this video, I will do contour. So I go down the sides of my nose. Sometimes I may do like the end of my nose right there. And then I'll do like a little on the side, so that way I can have them cheeks just go like, yeah. So for my nose, I'm just using like the same brush that I use for like just to blend out any of my foundations and powders, because I want that extra product that's left over on the brush to help blend out my contour, because I don't want my contour to look like harsh lines. Like it's supposed to be more so a shadow. It's supposed to help give a slimmer effect. You're not supposed to really see any of the contours. You're supposed to like really make sure it's blending in and just like create these shadows. Taking a standard powder brush just to blend in the contour. And I'm not worried about like the contour product like really get it on this brush, because I apply so little that I really don't want the contour to stand out. Like I just need that little bit of chiselness, but I don't need too much. Now I'm just going to take the same blending brush from earlier and go under, because I want to get rid of this cast that I had left over from the concealer. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC47. Take this powder brush, swoosh it around, and I'm going to use this powder to set my entire face, under eye included. So I'm going back with my eyeshadow. I'm using the same one from earlier, and I'm going to go under my eye. Just very lightly. Typically I would do like a blush of some sort, but I'm just going to keep it just simple on the highlight. And I'm using my all-time favorite Perfect Topping from MAC. I will add my finishing touches and I'll check back in with you guys in the end so you can see the whole look completed.
When you decide you like yourself, holler at me. When you decide you need someone, love on me.